Hey there friends, and welcome to another installment of the Garden Guides. I am your guide, Adam Gibson. Last guide we talked about soil amendments that go into the ground, and today we're going to talk about potting soil. But before we do, a quick distinction between the two. Our potting soil is specifically designed to be well draining, and that creates a great environment for plants that live in pots and planters. This potting soil can also be used outside to amend your outdoor gardening needs. Just like the soil conditioner. Doesn't work the other way. The soil conditioner cannot be put into pots to give a healthy environment for your plants to grow. Why? Because this, inside a pot, through waterings, will become compacted and get thick, and the roots will sit down in that soil and they will rot and they will suffocate, and the plant won't grow to be healthy and happy. So why not take all of your potting soil and then use that to amend your soil outside? You can do that, but it's not cost effective. This is cheaper than this is, because this is specifically designed to be healthy for pots and planters. So it's not just about knowing the job that's ahead of you, you also got to get that perfect soil for it and get the right value. So now that we've made that distinction, let's talk about the potting soils we have here at JVI. This is Happy Frog potting soil. It has microbes and fungi, which is specifically designed to stimulate root growth inside of a pot. And as I said earlier, it is very well draining, so that as you water, that water will run through, the roots will grab it, it'll also get the nutrients from the potting soil, and your plants inside your pots and inside your planters will thrive. Fox Farm also makes ocean forest potting soil. What makes this different is it has fish and crab meal as part of its formula. These ingredients are particularly good at stimulating nutrient absorption, which is great for plants that are fruiting. Your things like tomatoes or your veggies, this is what we suggest for those pots and planters. This is EarthMix Proganix, a locally produced outdoor grow mix. It has a little bit more body, making it suitable for outdoor potting uses only. Whew. After lifting all those bags in 100-degree Nashville heat, it's time for me to switch out of this shirt. But thank you for joining me as we go over the potting soils we have here at the Garden Center. If you enjoyed that video, hit that thumbs up button. And while you're down there, comment in the comment section about any questions you might have about potting soil. Subscribe to catch future garden guides and to follow the pond crew as they go around and they make Nashville beautiful. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.